So in this lesson, I'm going to talk about Quixel Megascans. So the Quixel Megascans is a library in which you can create the realistic environment. So in this, we can download high resolution textures, and also there are some 3D models which we can use in Unreal Engine. So down, if you scroll, you can see the games which used Pixel Megascans. There are a lot of games here. So if you want to visit this site, we can go to the quixel.com. And the one thing is the total, whatever the assets are there in this Quixel library, the everything is free. So previously it used to be like paid version. So now all the assets are free. Suppose if you're using Unreal Engine, all the assets in the Megascans are free. Suppose if you're using Unity 3D, then you have to pay for it. So down, if you go, like you can see this sort of levels we can create. So we can customize ourselves and we can create your own level with all these assets. And down you can see these are the trailers which is being made by the Unreal Engine. So see how the realistic the levels are. So now if you want to browse these assets, you can go to the products and like you can click on this browse Megascans. So when you click on this, it will load all the assets which is in Megascans. So now you can see these are the textures which we can use for the ground, for etc. And there are a lot of 3D models too. Here, if you go down, so there are a lot of 3D models and the grass textures. And here you can see the surface. So there are a lot of categories which you can see in the left side, like bricks. These are all the materials here, and you can see there are like 3D assets too. So these are the 3D assets which we can use for free when you're using Unreal Engine. And for example, suppose if you go to surfaces and like if you click on this, if you click on this, you can directly sign in and download into the Unreal Engine. So this thing I will show in the later videos. So if you go to home, you can see there are like 17,650 assets in this library. So all of them are free. So by using these assets, we are going to create some sort of levels in the upcoming videos.